Budgeting empowers you to live your life intentionally, rather than allowing your finances to lead you astray. It's about making informed decisions that align with your goals and values, which makes all the difference in your financial journey. No matter where you're starting from, remember that small, consistent actions can lead to big results. Embrace the process, celebrate your progress, and keep your eyes on the path to financial freedom. As you develop your skills and refine your budget over time, notice how your confidence builds and your spending becomes more purposeful. What if you could flip the narrative on budgeting entirely? Imagine viewing it as a staircase rather than a trap. Each step represents intentional choices that help elevate you financially, rather than restricting you. Rather than feeling confined by your finances, you'll find yourself empowered to make smarter decisions. Picture this: a budget that accommodates your lifestyle while still allowing room for savings and fun. It's about striking that balance where life can still be enjoyed, even amid constraints. When you clearly define your budget categories, it transforms the overwhelming into the actionable, carving a clear path forward that feels both sustainable and rewarding. Mastering your budget means taking control of your income and expenses, transforming what feels like a chore into a powerful method for achieving your financial goals. Start with knowing exactly how much money you bring in each month after taxes. This isn't just a number, it's the foundation upon which your budget will stand. It's crucial to use practical methods for estimating, especially if your income fluctuates, ensuring you have a realistic baseline to work from. When laying down the figures, don't forget to account for those occasional side hustles that can make a noticeable difference in your overall financial picture. Now, let's take a closer look at your spending habits. This step is crucial in identifying where your hard-earned money is actually going. Gather your bank statements, credit card transactions, and utilize tools like Mint or YNAB. Break everything down into meaningful categories, such as rent, groceries, and entertainment. This will not only shed light on your spending patterns, but it will also pave the way for making informed decisions in future budgeting. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding your expenses is the first step toward mastering your budget effectively. To build your budget effectively, it's vital to create a zero-based budget. This means every single dollar you earn has a specific job, allowing your income to equal your expenses down to zero. It's a proactive way to ensure that you not wasting money but instead assigning it purposefully. For example, if your monthly income is $3,800, you'll categorize that sum into essential expenses like rent, utility bills, groceries, savings, and fun activities, making sure that every dollar has a destination. This intentional allocation empowers you to prioritize your financial goals, ensuring each category is well managed and aligned with your values. Consequently, you reclaim control, shifting your perception of finances from overwhelming to intentional. This clarity transforms your relationship with money, making budgeting a constructive practice rather than a burdensome task. Your journey to budgeting doesn't end with building your zero-based budget. It's essential to pay yourself first. Before any bills are paid or expenditures made, set aside funds for your emergency fund, savings, or investments. This approach prioritizes your financial future, making it non-negotiable. By automatically transferring these amounts right after payday, you ensure that you're securing your wealth without having to think about it. This simple habit can lead to significant changes over time, empowering you to focus on your goals with greater confidence. Remember, this commitment to yourself today shapes your financial security tomorrow. As you progress in your budgeting journey, implement the 50-30-20 rule. If zero-based budgeting feels overwhelming, designate 50% of your income to needs, like rent and utilities, 30% to wants, covering leisure activities, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. This straightforward framework offers both flexibility and clarity, allowing you to enjoy life while still making strides toward financial stability. Embrace this method as a stepping stone, guiding you toward more refined strategies as your confidence grows and your financial landscape evolves. As you become more comfortable with your budgeting process, it's essential to establish regular check-ins, preferably on a weekly basis. These moments allow you to evaluate your spending, adjust your categories if necessary, and recognize small victories in your journey. A weekly ritual not only keeps your budget current, but also fosters a habit of mindfulness about your finances. A brief 15-minute review can transform how you engage with your money, turning potential confusion into clarity and reinforcing your commitment to financial control. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. As you build your financial foundations, it's crucial to avoid common pitfalls that can derail your efforts. Don't fall into the trap of guessing where your money goes. That leads to confusion and frustration. Instead, commit to creating a structured budget that you actively engage with and update regularly. Resist the temptation to copy someone else's budget categories. Tailor your budget to fit your unique lifestyle and needs, Remember, the journey of budgeting may have its bumps, but giving up after a couple of difficult months is not an option. Embrace the learning curve, and soon you'll find yourself gaining mastery over your finances, paving the path to lasting financial empowerment. Now that we have a solid understanding of our budget and the intentional decisions we want to make, let's dive deeper into the final touches that will enhance your budgeting experience. One powerful tool at your disposal is establishing budget buffers, which serve as a safety net for any unforeseen expenses. Create a miscellaneous category for those unexpected costs, and consider maintaining a cushion in your checking account to avoid overdrafts. By overestimating your bills slightly, you build in a layer of preparedness that helps reduce stress and uncertainty, allowing for a smoother budgeting process overall. Utilize budgeting apps like YNAB, Every Dollar, or Mint that can streamline your process, offering user-friendly interfaces for effective tracking and management of your finances. These tools not only simplify the budgeting experience but also provide insights into your spending habits, helping you stay aligned with your financial objectives. By leveraging technology, you enhance your ability to make informed financial decisions and maintain your budgeting momentum, ultimately leading you towards achieving a more secure financial future. By embracing the steps outlined in this video, you'll transform budgeting from a daunting task into a powerful ally in your financial journey. Remember, you are not alone. Many have walked this path and emerged victorious. With determination, you too can gain control over your money and build towards a thriving future. If this video gave you value, please share it with a friend, hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Your support helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information.